Oh, yo, what up, y'all? We back at it again. Today we're kind of switching it up. We're not going with the whole performance type of video. Today we're going with a repair. The Ford Fusion needs a new door handle, and we got that right here. So what happens is right on this lip here, a lot of you Fusion owners probably know this, that it starts to crack, and then that crack is like a very hard, like foil type of material. So when you go and open the door handle, it cuts you all up and you end up with a bloody mess inside your whip, and your fingers have just had their throats gouged. Gonna go ahead and correct that situation from happening. Let me go ahead and turn the camera. I'm gonna show you guys what we got here. This is Tiffany's car. Let's get it, baby. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you the holes and where to pull from, and then we'll go from there. Go ahead and take this door panel off, and then I'll show you how to remove the handle. All right, see the door handle here? Well, see, that's like aluminum, like an aluminum type of material, and it really gets you if you let it. It's hard to see the justice of it, but I mean, you could hear it. So let's go ahead and get that corrected. Okay, so we got a couple screws here. Okay, so it's good to have like a pick of some sort. So go ahead and take this out. You're gonna go ahead and push from the top and pull. And it has like a little flap that it hangs on by. So these are gonna be Torx bits too. So we're gonna go ahead and use the right Torx. In the door handle here, you're gonna wanna take this out. I just pulled it with the pick. And now we have another, I think it's like an 8, maybe a 10. I don't think it's a 10 though. I do think it's an 8. So we'll go ahead and get these screws taken out. And then there is one more screw right here. It's another Torx bit. So we'll go ahead and get these taken out, and we'll go from there. All right, now make sure to put your screws away so we don't lose them. All right, so there's one. There's two, and remember, this screw's longer. And quick correction, it was actually a 7, not an 8. Okay, so remember, T20 right there, T20 right here, 7mm right here. All right, also, the easiest thing to do here is gonna be to, I believe, oh, I was wrong.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Another T20. Okay, so now it should want to just pop off right away. And I like to put my knee here just for a little bit of leverage. All right, y'all, got it off. Put that to the side. Now we have the door handle exposed. And I believe on this, there is literally only one bolt, which you're already looking at it right now. It's gonna be this one right here. So we'll go ahead and swap it out. So we got an 8mm. So here's the handle. If we flip it around here, you'll see that that goes that way. We're gonna go ahead and pop this out of the socket here, which could be a little, boom, boom shakaka. Boom shakaka. We're then gonna go ahead, take that one out, and we're gonna go ahead and slide the new one in the new little hole there. Okay. Pop that in. There we go, we are fully seated. So now all we'll do We're gonna put that back, reverse the process. Okay, so now we're gonna have to adjust this a little bit, all right? Depending on where it sits here, I'll loosen it and we'll adjust it. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and, ooh, baby.
Nice.
Damn. No more bloody fingers, y'all. Okay, so let's just go ahead and we'll just toss it back on like, boom. There you have it. Let's put those screws in now. Click that in. Boom. All right, y'all, so there you have it. 2008. I'll look up the model specs, but I know that this one's a 2009. So this would be like 2000, I believe, 7, 2008, 2009. And then I think 2010 is when they switched to the new model of Fusion. But this will work for every single one of these ones. It's probably about a 15-minute process, to be honest. I mean, you have to have a little bit of that capability to know what's going on. But if you see here, look how jagged that is. And that's just because it gets old over time. So they're not OEM, but for like 10 bucks for both door handles, can't complain. All right, y'all. Sayonara. All right, y'all, so that's gonna do it for this short little tutorial. I hope you found that do-it-yourself, DIY, a little helpful in your progress to replace those door handles, because don't want your fingers getting cut up anymore. So definitely appreciate y'all for tuning in once again. And we're at like 590 subscribers as of this video, so definitely appreciate you. We're just gonna keep the bangers rolling out. We got another banger coming out with the Duke City Tuners here about the next week. Hope you guys enjoy it, but as always, stay blessed. Don't forget to smash that like and comment button, and also smash that subscribe button while you're at it. Thanks for all the love and support. Have a great weekend, y'all.